Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Luma Island game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Luma Island game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still not launching, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just type here -dx11. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then guys, if Discord is installed on your PC, then this is the major reason. So just open up the Discord, go to your Discord setting, then just disable the Discord overlay, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And still your game is not launching, then just click on the install files, then click on the verify integrity of game files. Guys, it will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC or even relaunch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just click on the browse option, and guys, look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab, and here just check the box of run this program as an administrator, then just click on apply, launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows here. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box, then click on the apply and click on the OK. Now the next solution that you have to try is go to your Windows here, type here the updates and open it. Guys, make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version, and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. And once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And hope these fixes fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye, and also help me out.